Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is well. My voice is changed because I'm sick today. So I'll show you guys today crochet accessories. This is, you can see, it's really nice, pretty. So I'll decorate with these items, and I'm opening this pack. Let's see. This is some stone. You can see it's lock stone, so I'll use this stone for decoration. Now I'll open this pack. Let's see. This is another white color stone, and I should put this stone by glue. And there are so many stuff here. You can see the hook, and this is bottom. This is stone. It's really pretty bottom, and this is one kind of bottom too. This is hook. And over here, let's see. So there are hijab pin. I'll make as soon as possible hijab pin with some crochet flower. This is some ball, and this is hijab pin. So I'll make as soon as possible the tutorial. Then you can make it too. Just openable, open and close. These all items come from Bangladesh. And this is golden color pearl. You can see it's really pretty and cool. So this is two sizes. This is the big size, and another one is a small size. I'll decorate with this pearl, and this is another one. This is same thing but a small size. It's a small size. I'll use this one with glue. So this is the all item I buy. So if you want to buy something like this, you can buy it. Thank you so much.